J Will back with another video. Just letting you guys know I'm halfway through my mini course. I'm gonna need you guys to tell me what you want to see in this course. I have a video on how you find keywords. I'm giving you guys 2 free done for you campaigns. Also, about 4 or 5 free funnels you can use that I'm currently making money on right now. What else? I'm showing you guys how to set up a campaign, a general keyword campaign, also a brand building campaign. That's what I have so far in the mini course. The course is going to be $97 for the first 3 days. After that, I'm going to have to up the price to $197. So you guys got to try to get it ASAP. But yeah, just leave in a comment below. Let me know what you want to see on the course. I can see if I can add some stuff into it. I'm almost ready with it. I'm halfway through with it. So just let me know. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.